Tope Onigbinde is my name. Yeah, Onigbinde is spelled Onigbinde. I think I'm a cool guy. I don't know what else. What do you want me to say, please? This is supposed to be.
Controversial.
I know Mr. Wale will not forget. I'm not controversial, Mr. Wale, so I don't like it. I'm not. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Why people attacking somebody?
I don't want that.
Yeah, let's go. What your vibes?
Okay, I'm one of them that I always want. So I was thinking of me.
You're very recorded. Go off. We're not wanting you to.
My God. Okay, I'm one of them that I like to make my points. I don't like to be opinionated, yeah, but then I like to always let people understand the point that I'm trying to make, and then it's also a way to get out of my own ignorance, just in case I'm hiding a truth I'm hiding a force that I call truth. So when I voice it out, I like to be corrected, and I like to learn too. So that's one of the things that makes me want to talk about those things. Okay, so design, user-centric designs. So it's tailored towards, helping users know more about brands and the products that we are selling, and then helping them to make decisions that favor the reasons why we are doing the design. So that's basically what I do at Zacrac. Concepts are not far-fetched if you understand the target audience that you are trying to get. So all you need to do is just to put the user in focus, and then put the business goals in focus, and then concepts just keep rolling out. As easy as that. 10. Yeah.
Why 10?
I'm a big believer of myself. I believe I'm a very good guy, and I think I'm very creative. Zacrac is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I think one of the very, very good place to work. The atmosphere is always very loving, accommodating, and okay, I'm actually saying that because it's from my heart. Okay, so the leadership here has actually made it possible for everyone to express themselves, and a lot of accommodation. Yeah, exactly. If as soon as you are doing what you're supposed to do, it's very. And then we have to note that an atmosphere that allows you to do what you're supposed to do is very essential, and then that's what Zacrac has made available. My work as a graphic designer, and I think at a point it was a little bit shaky to get into the flow of delivering what I am expected to do, and then it takes time to I tested the waters at some point, and then I think I've gotten this. When you get familiar with stuff, when you meet new stuff, you need to get familiar with them, and then gradually you get easy with it. You get to know it better. You master it, and then it becomes something it's now your craft that you can wake up and then deliver great things. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Music, yeah, I like good music. Okay, that's a little bit tricky because I studied chemistry, and the reason why I'm doing graphic design, the reason why I'm doing design generally is because I wanted to make something out of my life, learn an extra skill, and then I found it beautiful. I found it brought money, yeah, and then I took it up as a career, and then I felt, oh yeah, this is something that can make something beautiful out of, and then that's what I'm doing. Yes. When everything is done, that's the favorite part. It's not always very easy when you're putting it together. Drawing the lines, putting the pictures, cutting the shapes, it's always a rough thing to do. So the favorite part is when everything is set and then it's ready to be delivered. That's like the favorite part. Blank space. When you're looking at the white screen, without nothing. You're starting from scratch. That's the hardest part. Yeah, on some occasions I need to sketch, but on most occasions, especially if it's marketing design, I don't need to sketch. What I need to just put in my mind. This is something that I've done over and over again, so like a skill that I've mastered. So I necessarily don't need to sketch for marketing designs anymore. No, it has not, because it is something I've done over and over again, and then I think I've gained mastery over that. The guy filming this video right now, because his name is Boye, and I think it's because he's like the only person that I spend most of the time with at the office. We also get to do a lot of things together when it comes to work. Yeah, so please take action that are favorable to what we want you to do with the design. If it is for you to buy the course, please buy the course. If it's for you to sign up for something, please sign up for it. Register for incubator programs and all of that. So that's like one of the things that I want users that interact with our designs to do. So you guys, don't just look at the designs. Ensure that you take action that are favorable to what the design is saying. All right?